Welcome back everyone to Crypto Today. I'm Clara on Thursday, March 21st. Today we'll look at a story from OSL brokerage in Hong Kong after checking out today's news. Chicago's Mayor Rahm Emanuel mentioned points on cryptocurrency and blockchain, as countries like Iran and Venezuela facing financial embargoes are increasingly turning to cryptocurrency as a possible way to maintain global transactions. Emanuel, in response to an audience question, explained adoption could be inevitable. A report from the Economic Studies program of U.S. think tank Brookings claims better regulation will benefit the crypto industry. It states that crypto assets currently fall into a jurisdictional gap and that the SEC should fill that role. VanEck, the major New York City exchange-traded fund provider with $47 billion worth of assets under management, remains confident that despite its fall, Bitcoin is not going away. The company's director said, with Bitcoin falling from $19,500 to $3,000, some of us may hope that this was indeed a fad and was safely behind us. Yet, there are solid developments from some major companies. The following is a list of recent singles, including announcements, launches, and events that collectively can contribute to building out the digital assets markets. North Korean political dissident group Chalima Civil Defense is selling Ethereum-based visas for entering the country once it is supposedly liberated. The Dissidents website advertises a limited issuance of 200,000 anonymous blockchain visas to visit Free Joseon upon liberation. The price for the first 1,000 visas will be 1 Ether. Per the announcement, the issuance will begin on Sunday, March 24th, and all the visas will expire on March 1st, 2029 and can only be used once for a stay of 45 days at most. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services is continuing its exploration of blockchain technology with a $7 million investment into its Buy Smarter AI blockchain initiative. Buy Smarter was formed in response to an Office of Management and Budget memo, which required each governmental agency to come up with plans to improve their efficiency and effectiveness. The aim is to modernize and improve HHS procurement systems. Currently, HHS procurement model often means departments make identical purchases independent of one another. This means that not only does HHS procure things unnecessarily, but it also loses the benefits of economics of scale. The Commissioner of the Commodities Futures Trading Commission, Dan Berkowitz, shed light on a host of different issues that will impact the entry of institutional investors into the cryptocurrency market. Berkowitz started the conversation by claiming that he is not anti-crypto or anti-blockchain. He added that the CFTC has an active enforcement division of around 170 people responsible for catching the bad guys in this space, hence prioritizing investor protection. A developer posted on Twitter that he developed an add-on which, when installed, would allow users to send Ripple via email. The developer posted a screen grab of the add-on installed on Microsoft Outlook, which also showed the Ripple received. Wetswin, the developer of Tipbot and the lead for Ripple Labs, helped him with the API on the project. However, the project is not open source yet, but the developer said he had plans to make it open source in the future. With the add-on, users can send and receive Ripple directly to other users via email, and the receiver doesn't need to have a Ripple address. A study conducted by Japan's GMO Internet Group revealed that most Japanese are bullish about cryptocurrency. GMO surveyed over 11,000 participants during the month of February with the intention of interpreting Japanese market sentiment. The results were quite interesting. More than 70% of the surveyed consider that cryptocurrencies are a long-term investment. However, most of them think that speculation is the main appeal of digital assets.
This is Ryan Rabaglia from OSL, Asia's leading digital asset brokerage. Following the success of Token 2049 last week, where OSL was the title sponsor, we saw quite a bit of price action, which we'll get into right now. BTC once again went north of the 4K mark. Volumes were decent coming into that, but it is indeed becoming a significant resistance level for us. 39.50 current spot level trade, 39.20 if the next leg down does come, and even below that, 38.50 is where we see the ultimate pullback support level. On the upside, 40.50 to 4100 range is where we see resistance coming in, and above that, 42.50 is where the next major resistance level we see. ETH plus 12% over that same time frame, 145 high, current level 138. If indeed we do see some more selling pressure coming in, which we have been seeing on the OTC side, we're looking for a 132 level on a support. And if volumes do come pouring in, unfortunately, we're seeing even lower, around 118 to 120. On the upside, 151 is a high, where resistance could be a key factor here. For purely OTC, what we're seeing from a flow standpoint, some smaller names are getting quite a lot of love recently from an interest and an execution standpoint. Grin, Cardano, and ETC have been seeing significant OTC flows being actually printed off exchange. Whether that is something that we're going to be seeing as a trend, that's yet to be seen. We'll leave you here this week, and we'll speak to you next.